Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Now today's video is going to be a really quick video on how to mount a winch on an Alaskan mill. Now if you ever used an actual Alaskan mill, you're going to know it's pretty hard pushing this mill through a log. So this winch definitely helps out. Now I've already gone ahead and done all the grinding and cutting, so I'm just going to do a really quick how to put it together, and I'll show you kind of some pointers and stuff. So first thing with material, what we're gonna need is a winch. Now this is a 800-pound winch. Smaller is the better. This is the smallest I could find. So we're gonna need one of those. You're gonna need a pulley. One of these hooks. Now, I don't quite know how to explain that. I believe they're meant for kind of mounting on walls, and you can hook chains and whatnot, bungee cords up to it. I've already obviously gone ahead and cut this off. You're gonna need 50 feet of 1/4 inch either nylon. What I got here is polypropylene twisted rope. We're gonna need some of that, and also you're gonna need a carabiner. I don't have that here, but you're also gonna need that to hook onto your hook. So first step is taking this wheel assembly off the actual winch. Now we're gonna take that bolt off. If I can get it off here. So take that bolt out, and what you're gonna need to do is grind the head down, and then obviously you're gonna need to grind the sides down. Now the purpose of that is because we want this to fit into the top rail here of the actual mill. So it's gonna be a lot of going back to the grinder and getting it perfect, but obviously I've already done that. So let's mount that on right now. Just pull this rail back, slide on the bolt itself, and then we can mount this back up. Just like so. Now you're going to want to mount this winch on the back side of the mill, so you're going to be pushing this mill through the log this way. So this will be your front, this will be the back. So the winch will go on the back. Now as you can see, it kind of spins around here, but once we tighten it down, if you see this lever here, there's a nut on this other side. So once you start putting tension on, it will pull this into the front, into the rail, and it will kind of lock it into place, so it won't move back and forth. So that's all we're doing there. And obviously you want to get it so you're not hitting your hand on these up rails, and that's kind of what it will be doing. Next step is getting this hook onto the front of the rail. Now again, you're gonna have to cut this down so it will fit in the top rail. And all we have to do is carefully move the front of the mill out. And we will slide this loop onto the front of the rail. So once we have that, we'll put this back on. This hook here, as you can see, is gonna go between the center support bar and the end of the actual mill attachment. I guess you could call it the end clamp. So essentially what we've got going on here is our nylon rope will come from the winch, go out to the pulley onto a stump or a truck or whatever we have out in front of the log. That'll come back around, tie onto the carabiner, and then the carabiner will hook onto this loop here. And you just crank her in, hammer it on the chainsaw, and you'll be ripping through the log in no time. So that's basically all you really need to do. It's pretty straightforward. This whole setup here probably ran me about 50 bucks. So it's not expensive, and it's going to save you a lot of energy and time. So if you have any questions regarding this setup, please leave a comment below. Again, like I mentioned, this is a really quick video, so I might have missed out a few things. But as always, I appreciate you guys watching. Give me a thumbs up if this video helped you out, or you want to see more of this kind of video. But anyways, thanks for watching.